Okay, FM. 101.7.
Mbacho mam kwatin komo mesa bam chebda se. Okay, 101.7 so enie. Miura Kenneth Eje Korankye. Waye editor Emma Searchlight. Daily Searchlight. Na menene entwitwen ko. Ko kanta me moache.
Me jesu na nankoma.
Na mpom boko die.
Boko mi anampa chonso e.
Musun boko pa na wadawruma na minim se wo parliamentary ambition. Na etisai because they say me wa list here me campaign mu omo pa me anu se me fa bra nkan wana me nyi bra film ni ade ade
fa bra kan ho na ne me so ne say say no on say me nia ku say ni isa the last time no ye ne de ne call o kan queen no na abrante no gusu ye ejuma o kan queen no no party the mrat process is here no ma ye na pese e company me campaign ansa o party ye ready no mo fin nomination the campaign it never struck a council de nyabotre ma command so mu na say party no ye so say campaign dia be so tipo for ma me na bo na ye na ye no to ejuma pa no so
ye je say obekọ
meko be nya opinion
nominations Matthias ye
dia me take for
Mate Ebra me ni udi nkomo fa emra ho law Ghana Law School ho no na ba ko eye exam a okotworo ya watworo watwa bi na aka bi ye se o ho mra ne se eye nsia aye se atwensere yenyi ba ko nyi ba ko eye nsia ne se wotworo 5 no kware ka ba ko ayi zo za atworo nsia ne nyina a na wo contest ho asem wo court no ade me ni udi nkomo yi sa asem no akosisai
Exam no yeguso na legal vacation into no ye to question October 21st. It may be serve the opposing party hearing notice na pay October 21st on your can for okay.
Na mama nwie die wo die e fa baby na de akoba ni se nipa 1800 and something akotro exams 820 128 in the past year 7% out of the 100%. Next nipa 93% am passing. Na ye didn't come out there na Alhaji Yunus Afuseni can say we need a complete overhaul of our legal system, particularly Ghana Law School. No, we need to overhaul Niema Bebre. San say in 1958. Yeti school no in 1963 9 lawyers and I call home to the bar no BBN say in fear do see any the aboso yi to say
well me da city nye akosini say 1958 na sema ye kano system make say ya system mara krampo na well than the 1958 condition. A year after na move woman important 2020, 2025, 2030 no. Ghana okay legal regime na you person for pre-1958 because now a chief justice vetting or parliament also no progression from faculty to the professional aspect of legal education. It was before you see exactly it was seamless. You can seamless and I just say Tomupon free university na pa na copy makola one tip price we no cover be a friend makola and then no west the entrance examination in normal interviews all manner of ridiculous abetum finfinia where we will LLB no now they issue those restrictions to debar you from progressing to the professional legal education and the time the conditions are much worse than 1958.
It is a what you want to be pa ubesu swama or mindset a dear nye.
No, or say you share short term, medium term, and long term measures which we are putting in place. Over the long term, no dear. Next example, you for the 1992 Constitution. Now, the various aspirations that are set out in the 1992 Constitution. Now, if I'm law, for instance, 1992 Constitution, you find say what person they could do baby, and so we can now again find there or the question. You move the study of law to that level, say so long as the person has the means to study law, and as the brains to study law or medicine or any other profession, the person should be encouraged to get to that level. Medium term, no, there been a bit to school done or see any more instructors or say reduce fees. What do we need to do to make sure that that constitutional aspirations, no, a bit to short term, no, there or say you're taking certain drastic measures because what has happened is say and penny-phobias to pumping almost buying say Senate, you are near money for the lawyer for Ghana. Because who says so could LLB now, over to me, I could to LLB no certificate. For instance, me say, over to me, I could to know civic. For instance, me say more LLB. Estimating the make me CV, baby, I'm making that also. I have an LLB. But with me, Frank, also entrance examination or pass here. Put me, Frank, also maybe because school be near from the Ghana School of Law. I'm a true entrance examination, not the part that we train the past year. What is just why best for it is not a qualification to anything. Apart from say, but the requirements of the entrance examination are much harder than LLB. Much harder than LLB. It, you know, you also be down. After that entrance examination, you know, the Supreme Court of this country has already declared that entrance examination, you know, anybody now a conduct entrance examination, you know, they are illegal body. Maybe
who contend this say institutional conducting entrance examination no illegal body. Institution be na can say me.
Yeah, fake case be Professor Stephen Kofu sorry by Attorney General and General Legal Counsel. It was the decision of the Supreme Court of this country. 2017 I say the Supreme Court in the council and Attorney General and General Legal Counsel, the LIB call Parliament, Japan LI 2355, and I'm going to legitimize the IEC, any entrance examination. Let me come out and say, Supreme Court can say illegal. So, okay, say illegal, then the Posham Rana and illegal. And I'm going to say, I don't know. Meno can say, Mr. Fali case, so the same Supreme Court say, I have discovered, say, even though they went to pass the law, I just some says a law illegal. That law is not the IEC and the entrance examination is not legal because when the Parliament is me passing but almost me passing red for instance almost me passing master Ghana declare Ghana one party state. So I've made the argument today in that particular case. There was Supreme Court here. And you know, first you conduct yourself in regard to legal education this country here. And a lot more needs to be done.
A lot more need to be done. Now, Mami Ray. Na me ni lawyer bi a wono so abene pay di nkomo no was kwa me ma me nkyere wade bi se wo ye lawyer se bi fan se bi a wo cases bi a net bi a wo cases be 4 ese wo ye ana wo cases be 5 high profile cases a case ni so already atwero ho ne ma nyina no enti eno mpani she da nwene ne se enam senti no nam say wo ba bonten a bi a workload as a lawyer ebedu baby you need a volume of eniema ewo so before say wo be court no enti exam no utwa eso utwa ne nyina me ehu se sabi uti dibu awo mrem na wontimi ya ne saa de na ekopa adwuma foforo ye obi en hye wo uti ase say we no etwen komo na de table no so na kwatika but you see law obi no there's not a single lawyer on the face of this earth. It is impossible. The real lawyer knows where to find the law. Because assembly member, for instance, assembly member it has to do with rape. Also, what's that area murder? You know, you go and do the necessary research on rape. You find the latest case law on rape, and then you go and defend that case. You do the evidence, you do everything, you do your research and everything. So there's not a single lawyer on the face of this earth. For instance, there's not a single lawyer in this country, Ghana, in Ghana, then they go and research. If I ask about copyright, then you go and do your research on copyright. Ask about to do with murder, you go and do your research on. Ask about to do with company law, you go and do your research on company law. And you know, depending on the brief that your client brings to you. If you're not lawyer for Ejuma, they know who consider them because a casta Ejuma, any region Ejuma, is an intangible. What they are some not burn on any pan or so, also for research. And the lawyer being no about so much and done also would give him. I would be for there be a woman yanisa.
You know, lawyer ne can say na me but the current assembly that was say Ghana 1,700 and over. Oma for examination. Yes, only 7% of them pass. Now I didn't see a ban sir. And you be a college you know college in Ghana School of Law, the University of Ghana. Almost had the power one now because some candidates get 11 and a pass. 11 out of all the candidates they put forward now, only 11 pass. Why is it so? Why is it so? Why is it say only 11 pen pass here? Oh,
I see. Add I many I like
some short-term measure. Some advise the School of Law at the University of Ghana. No more bet here. Some advise the School of Law at KNUS no bet here. Almost stop the production of LLB holders for now. Almost stop. Now, engage the General Legal Council. Emerson will say a different pan and students no. Because I send you to Okuma. Me call faculty and me question law no. You give me $10,500. I would get Tigano. Hello, come. Hello.
Yeah, Meda se pa. Now Busam said
Me say because we say no, you give me $10,500. So you give us can for nipa no ho. Na se nipa na dey e no nya dey a obetumi dey akọ nanimu a. I didn't think I just can for nipa no ho.
Wo ko sua dey dey give 10,000 you know, who go school?
You give me $10,500. Okay. You give them that can go match your LLP. Now for we are to entrance examination, which entrance examination I have failed you. The issues have arisen here. Also, when you put in idea and form, what exactly is the General Legal Council looking for? What is?
I like Eunice of Seni. Actually, be say your models be to say one more a doctor said, you know, Sabia Obi Court Care UST. A has a chinchina or balegon, a bachelor exams. Legon for Nina in say. I will cook an UST. On share or say, we are be a housemanship. We are I say, now by a doctor. Until I can sana yen demystify that Ghana Law School say Hong Kong chinchina oba. Just say what by a lawyer.
I dare you Ghana Law School no. You bet me at a classroom Pia Ghana Ghana. And ya be a husa. I have been there. And you bet me that for classroom. The answer na makola kwan channel. And I like the groups I drink. Oh, and you know, and no customer, we are destroying lives. And as Dan was a mistake, and it's so when your car accident, Nipa 1,700 because that's what has happened to these people. The Mr. Sankasasam see and carrying investigation, Diana. It's you know, penny form and form. The challenge you be and making sure that this particular tragedy that has happened in this country, we get to the bottom of it.
I like Eunice of Seni, I can't be say. Enka enipano yen inculcate Saudi Asian Ghana Law School so be LLB na yen fanka ho ye wi a yen committed that person to be a law firm na for tutelage ni sa ne manema no so that we are after certify no be after 6 months 1 year no you certify and say okay say report you if you want to say oh was the rudiments of it was when courtroom situation how cases are adjudicated near the idea near general no we share any view saying
many allow you of many no ya again many a can be why bet me afar a bet me making sure say legal education is less complicated than it is currently no ko minister Kwame Ghana for here lawyer she unim na say ya is a corruption NDP are corrupt, MPP are corrupt. Do not continue to me party corruption.
Baby,
one of the principal reasons you need lawyer. Or the Attorney General Department, Attorney General not pay. Every time so lawyer staff only lawyers. Only lawyers are best from Mama Court. Of the Attorney General has very few lawyers. And you know the workload at Attorney General Department is too much for the existing number of lawyers that they have. And one of the reasons is that we don't produce enough lawyers. And most of the district assemblies in the rural area, there's almost some more lawyers. Now, so this is assembly, no sign contract, no lawyer and Shimua. A better no sign contract, Papa.
At least in the district assemblies, no municipal, no, a lawyer.
I was a lawyer.
Hey, where do you want come? I'm assembly. KMA, Kumasi Metropolitan Assembly. No one more lawyer about cope, member producer pen diamame. Nasa lawyer no, Tianiama way. Maria cases in and wha. Apatasam Kumasi empata one ayon Kumasi bibia bebia yemra a fast humbling nubia or one a court. At a point in time, Biano, lawyer Bekono, only cases he cry or Beko court or more than be a 5,000. Per one lawyer.
I wasn't going to lawyer for bed 20 and 30 or nothing. I was on Numbia or Okopan. Okofano, if you want them to do what, as I say, attention the business and be our own perspective because he does not have the capacity to do what is necessary to make sure that you get justice. If you know, really, or man for an to the fact that he produces certain quality stuff. They are not producing enough medical doctors. They are not producing enough lawyers. They are not producing certain people that the nation needs to produce. And I propose to see bands I am produce more. It's no more mommy and I am can. Now, I am sure you know my bitch, your man, and my man, as a nation. Let me acquaint.
Oh, he Medasi Brew.
Medasi Pionia.
Bye bye. Ora can Korankye. And I didn't come on editor Daily Searchlight. Okay, 101.7. So in me.
Okay, FM 101.7.